this line dropping here will be supported from the grade up to the nozzle.
So initially the line is running almost 2 meters, right, from the grade, and it is dropping maybe 600 mm.
Yes.
That's what.
Okay, good. Good guys, so for this point of view, we are okay. And now we'll share my screen. Thank you, Santosh.
Yes, thank you.
And I will have to take one recommendation regarding optimizing the number of people while working in the brownfield, because OPTIM, I optimize the maximum number of right, right, in the Why this is very important to protect our construction people. So probably this should go in the EPC scope of work, or field contractor has to give the prelim information how much maximum people are required to work on the live equipment as well as for construction of the for installation of the structure support. So this is also important part we discussed. So I am keeping it the same thing. Going for the next shutdown that we have mentioned, that shutdown we do not know, so we'll put the same thing. Review the pipeline shutdown. This is the same recommendation I'm going to put here. And the shutdown. Constructability. Listen up, viewpoint and leisure. Yeah, method of installation. Yeah, so we have taken the same recommendation. That is okay. And CMOPS, yes, CMOPS study is going to be there, and this will be revisited in the EPC phase. So we are going to see the CMOPS activity after this constructability. Commissioning and handover, that should be done as per the ADNOC system, and PSSR will be there.